guys, Mike Solar here with Dog Talk, and I'm so excited. We're down here at the Baltimore Dog Bakery in Baltimore, Maryland. We got invited today to come down here and make some cookies for you guys, and in celebration of the Christmas holidays, they're going to be showing you some special cookie design that they have just in celebration of the holidays. Baltimore Dog Bakery was established in 1997 by Key Wagner, who will be joining us shortly to talk about some of the things that she's been doing down here. Hey guys, again, as promised, here we are at the Baltimore Dog Bakery, and I'm with Key Wagner. She's the owner and founder of the Baltimore Dog Bakery, and today she's going to be showing us how to make some of her natural treats. She's also going to let us know where some of the places that you can buy these natural treats for your dog, and that way you know you're giving your dog all natural supplemental food, and you don't have to worry about any type of byproducts that are going into it. She's also going to have me make some of these things today, which is going to be really exciting because we're going to share with you the process on how to do it. So Key, what are some of the places that we can purchase the all-natural biscuits that you're selling?
You can find the product in several different places, such as Wegmans, Whole Foods, Harris Teeter's, Amazon Prime, some liquor stores, some pet stores.
And of course, they can buy it directly from you at the BaltimoreDogBakery.com, right?
Correct.
Fantastic. Now, just to let you guys know, before we started shooting, she actually already made some of the dough balls for you, just because it's a very long process to put it all together. But she did explain it to me where she and her crew get together and they make a bunch of the dough balls that are gonna be formed into the cookies today. But we're gonna skip a little bit of that process and get right into step really number one, right? Or number two, technically. And we need to do what with this right now?
You need to create what we call a dough ball. And what that is you take the dough and you flatten it out.
Okay.
So it can run through another machine to even make it even more flat. But this is the physical part, and I'd love to see those muscles at work making that.
All right, so I guess we just push from the
go.
center out, right?
There you go. Now go back.
Can you adjust?
Yeah, just a little bit at a time. Yeah, that's good.
One click.
Good.
Okay. I was going to say, I don't think that's... Starting to enjoy this.
You're captain of the sheeter. All right, that should do it. So we're going to go up.
Just making snow over here, which is getting us ready for the Christmas season, which I believe you are coming up with individualized cookie cutters for that, just to celebrate the holiday season. Is that right?
Yep, we do Christmas shapes. They come in a 7-ounce bag, and they only come in the combo flavor, which means variety pack. So you can get some of each flavor in a bag, and they're great gift ideas. They're great to carry the spirit of the holidays for your dog.
Which is really important because from my experience being a dog trainer for the past 15 plus years, is that people now are looking at their dogs as kids. I mean, my parents bring my dogs treats for the holiday season, so looking at it, I mean, getting a natural treat for the dog is probably a really good alternative for those grand puppies and niece-nephew dogs that you have out there. So I think this is a really good way. Remember, guys, check out the Baltimore Dog Bakery if you guys are interested in some holiday gifts. And what's really cool is she actually gives 1% of all sales to the Maryland SPCA. So that's something else to think about, is that you're also supporting a great cause with that.
Great organization. Check them out too. Put some muscles in there. Excellent. I'm impressed.
Now it's time for the dog bone.
Tricky part.
Oh, okay. So why do we fold it?
So,
That's a good question.
it is a good question. So it doesn't get caught in the whatever. So the dough doesn't stretch.
Okay.
That's you don't want stretchy dog treats. So you want a uniform size, and my cutter is all treats will be the same size. So you need them to look pretty when they come out.
Awesome. So how do we get from one side to the other?
You're not going to touch that at all. This is your
Okay, so there's a floor pedal.
Floor pedal, and what that does, it makes the belt.
So the
Start
belt's going to
slow.
extra, that's why we fold it for slack, I'm assuming?
Yes.
Okay.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the foot pedal, but you're gonna stop right here because we have to pull the dough off.
Okay,
it
so we don't
doesn't
want it to
wrap
wrap
around.
around. Okay.
Yeah.
So real nice and easy.
Stop.
Okay.
Excellent.
Now we come back over here.
Now you're just gonna, there you go. This guy's good. I'm shocked.
One that's staying in there.
Yep, you just wanna roll it off. There you go, and just pull. Beautiful.
All right, so we got to keep it all together.
You've done this before, haven't you? Oh my gosh.
No, I don't.
Okay,
So
now this is, yes, you want to do 2 hands. I will tell you to stop if necessary. So you want to tap, tap, tap.
Pat.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm trying to be nice here.
Wait. Tap, 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 tap. Perfect. Keep
Oh, we
going.
got one going. We have one escape from us. I found it though. Didn't let him go, Key.
That's
Didn't
good.
let him go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
All right, so now we have to dust off the flour. Oh, excuse me. Now we have to dust off the flour. It's getting to me in here. All right, so it looks
Beautiful.
like we're doing good there. I'll put that to the side. And now we got to pop out the dog bones. Is that right?
Right.
So is there a trick to this to make it quick and easy? Not really. Just go for one at a time, huh?
No, well, yes, if you want to just pop them up and pull. Pop up and pull. Little tricks of the trade you learn after so long.
And I'm assuming the bones that are not complete perfect sizes, like towards the edges here, we're going to leave together to, I'm assuming, recycle, because you said earlier
Right.
you do not let any of this go to waste, right? So you make different
Yes.
size treats for different things, training as well, and
Training.
you're actually looking to start selling at the Blue Line Canine Training Center as well, up in Hartford County.
Yep.
So you can get your training treats as well there.
Yep. Training, and you can get your dog trained while you're there.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
And if you can do this as well as training, then you must be fantastic. You're multi-talented.
All right, guys, so now that we have the dough balls put together, we have the cookies cut out, it's time for it to go in the oven.
Into the oven they go.
Into the oven we go. So there is a little bit of a process to it, so Key's going to be guiding me through. So tray 1's going to go all the way to the
and
end.
all the way back.
All the way back, just like so. Woo! Even on these cold winter days, you guys must be cozy warm in here.
Yes, we are. Thank you. Nice job, just all the way to the back.
You guys ever get excited to make a pizza in here?
We can bake a lot in here. We can create anything we want.
All right, so
All
this
right,
one's
nice
full.
job. All right.
So I'm here with Susan. The cookies are now out of the oven and it's time for packaging. So Susan's taking a labeled bag and she's going ahead and she's putting them in here, which what we do, they let them cool off in the Tupperware here and then they're going to put them into the package. So Susan, what is the main process here?
Pretty simple. You got to make sure you got the right flavor that matches what you're packaging. Scoop it out, put it in the bag, and we also, on the bones, we'll add, there's a clear envelope here, an opening on the front. You'll slide a 4-piece in the front, and then weigh it. And a couple more in here to a certain point. Got it. Then we just close the bag up and move on to the next one.
Awesome, guys. Key, I wanted to thank you for having Dog Talk come in here and check out your bakery. And everybody out there, Baltimore Dog Bakery, it's a phenomenal place to get natural treats for your dog. I mean, they're so natural that I'm even willing to eat one. You can go ahead and check them out at baltimoredogbakery.com.